Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you Instagram's Take a Break feature. This is a handy tool designed to help you manage your screen time and prevent burnout by reminding you to take regular breaks while using the app. All right, let's get started. Open up Instagram and head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select your activity. At the top, you'll see time spent. Tap on that, and you'll get an overview of your average usage over the past week. For example, it might show that you're spending about an hour and 4 minutes daily on Instagram. To set up reminders, tap on Set Reminder to take breaks. Here you can choose how often you want to be reminded to take a break. Options include every 10, 20, or 30 minutes. For instance, if you prefer to take a break every 20 minutes while scrolling through Reels, just select that option and activate the reminder. Instagram will then nudge you to step away and take a break. I hope you find this feature helpful for managing your Instagram usage. If you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.